Make your own spooky space spider. You'll need black card, coloured paper, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, glue, tape and scissors. Cut a large circle out of the black card to be your spider's body. And then cut a sausage shape towards the bottom big enough to put your fingers through to be 4 of the legs. Cut out a spider mouth out of your coloured paper or draw one on. Glue on some googly eyes. Finally, tape 4 pipe cleaners to the back of your spider so he has 8 legs in total. And there you have your spooky space spider. Did you know spiders were sent to space to see how microgravity affects their webs, which are asymmetrical on Earth? Spiders were first sent to space in 1973. It was suggested as an experiment by Judith Miles as part of a student competition. They were called Arabella and Anita. They produced irregular webs, but they weren't provided with food or water, so died of dehydration. In 2008, 2 more spiders were sent to space on Space Shuttle mission STS-126. One of the spiders escaped into the other's container. The fruit flies they were given for food multiplied too quickly for them to keep up with, and covered their containers so astronauts couldn't see what was going on. Another failed experiment. Then in 2011, Esmeralda and Gladys visited the ISS. A web photograph was taken every 5 minutes, and the lights were switched off every 12 hours to simulate daylight. Their webs were more symmetrical when the lights were off, but when they were on, they looked more like webs on Earth. The spiders used the light as a backup for orientation. When the spiders came back to Earth, they actually kept falling off their webs because they were so used to the microgravity in space. Would you go to space with a spider?